In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on Webflow for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or you're just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can easily manage payments for your website. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Webflow's website. You can find it by typing Webflow into your search engine or simply visit webflow.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page for the Login button and click it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your Webflow projects. Find your way to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard link available on the top navigation bar. Once you're at the dashboard, we'll move on to the next step. Next up, it's time to configure your account settings to add a payment method. Look for the Settings option. Depending on your workspace layout, this might appear in a sidebar or a drop-down menu. When you click on Settings, you'll be taken to a page that allows you to manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings section, navigate to the Billing tab. Here is where you'll have access to all your payment-related information. In the Billing section, look for the Payment Method link and click on it. This is a crucial part of the process, as it's where you'll manage how funds flow into your account. Now we come to the step where you can actually add a payment method. Look for the Add Payment Method button. For most users, this button will be prominently displayed on the screen. Clicking this will open up fields where you can enter the details of your preferred payment method. Whether you want to use a credit card, debit card, or another form of payment, input your information carefully to avoid any errors. Double-check the information to ensure it's accurate, then submit it. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a payment method to your Webflow account. Remember, keeping your payment details up to date is key to seamless transactions and managing website expenses effectively. It's always a good idea to periodically review your payment settings to ensure everything is in order. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. See you next time for more helpful Webflow tips and guides. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow content.